Hi, welcome to the channel. I've got a quick review and tutorial about how to install these, which are floor protectors for your dining room, living room, tables and chairs, just to keep your floors nice and safe and away from scratches. So what's in the box? You get the 32 premium screw-in felt pads, 28mm diameter. You need a Posi 2 screwdriver to install them. Just show you these up close. Metal and fabric, really hard wearing. If I compare that to a couple of the other ones I've previously installed on chairs and tables, these ones are so much better. You see this one, look, this is a square one with a little one stuck to the bottom. See how thin that is compared to the new one. So these are going to be much better. They're going to protect your floors. You're not going to get any scrapes into your wooden floor especially. It's going to slide really well and do what they're designed for, and that's keep your floor safe. Okay, so to install the new floor protectors to the bottom of one of your chairs, you just need to remove one of the old protectors if you've got any on there. These ones are really rubbish, so don't buy the fabric ones, the purely fabric ones. They just fall off all the time. They're actually really rubbish. Instead, get these ones. It's a slightly harder, it's a much harder fabric at the bottom with a metal back, and it's held on with a screw, so it's not going to fall off. Pop the screw into the middle, line it up into the middle of your chair leg. It's a Posi head 2 screw. I'm just going to use my impact driver, it's just a bit quicker. And there we go. So it's as simple as that. It took a couple of seconds to do, and now I know that this pad isn't going to end up like this one. So thank you again for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get the pads that I've fitted to my chairs. As I said before, I'm really new at this, so I hope you found the video helpful. If there's anything I can improve on, please let me know. Please comment, like, subscribe, all the usual stuff. And yeah, I hope to do some more videos and speak to you soon.